Welcome to Action English Academy. In this video, you will learn powerful alternatives to the word move. These words will help you speak more clearly and naturally in English. So let's get started. First word is move. Move means to change position or location. It is used when something or someone goes from one place to another. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. Please move the chair. He moved to a new house last week. Repeat after me. Move. Please move the chair. He moved to a new house last week. Now watch the action.
This chair is in the way.
Okay, I'll move it.
That's better.
Second word is shift. Shift means to change position slightly or gradually. It is used for small changes in position, focus, or direction. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. He shifted his position. The company shifted its focus to online work. Repeat after me. Shift. He shifted his position. The company shifted its focus to online work. Now watch the action.
This chair feels uncomfortable.
Try to shift your position a little.
Ah, that feels better now.
Third word is transfer. Transfer means to move something from one place, person, or system to another. It is often used for money, jobs, or data. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. She transferred money to her friend. He was transferred to another branch. Repeat after me. Transfer. She transferred money to her friend. He was transferred to another branch. Now watch the action.
I just transferred the money to you.
Yes, I received it. Thanks, that was quick.
Fourth word is relocate. Relocate means to move to a new place permanently or for a long time. It is often used for homes, jobs, or companies. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. They relocated to another city. The company relocated its office. Repeat after me. Relocate. They relocated to another city. The company relocated its office. Now watch the action.
I'm relocating to another city.
That's a big change.
Yes, it's for a new job.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Action English Academy for more simple and powerful English lessons. Keep learning, keep improving. See you in the next video. Bye!